Altcoins, man. What is going on? Why are the altcoins booming right now? Well, the first reason has to do with, of course, the GameStop drama. Well, the reaction to the GameStop pump has been that phone calls from, crybaby fund managers were actually made to some of the major brokers like TD Ameritrade, Schwab, and Robinhood, all of who then acquiesced and shut down trading for some of the most popular stocks trading on the market right now, including GameStop, but also others like AMC, for example. Now, this move is very transparent and it's absolutely enraged investors. They're now moving on to pump other assets listed on Robinhood, including Dogecoin. Dogecoin, it is the secret to altcoin season because Dogecoin by many is seen as something of an altcoin cycle oscillator. So when Dogecoin pumps, other altcoins tend to follow, tend to pump like crazy as well in the days after a major Dogecoin pump. The irrational pump of Dogecoin shows that there is plenty of money sitting on the sidelines ready to just come in mega hard to altcoins. They pumped billions into Dogecoin today. Think about that. Now look, I love the Dogecoin, but you gotta keep it real. It's just a meme coin. That's all it is. It's a meme coin worth now billions of dollars. I do want to say, though, don't run out and buy Dogecoin. Don't believe the people who are saying Dogecoin's going to go to $1. That's crazy stuff. This thing's probably going to sink like a rock once the hype dies down in a day or two. Even if it pumps a bit more, this is a high risk time to be trying to play that game. Now, the second reason that we should be super bullish on altcoins right now is that it has been confirmed that Greyscale has filed 5 new trusts today. And it is all of our favorite altcoins. So Polkadot, Cardano, Cosmos, Aave, and Monero. The new listings, they're mostly very high hype coins. Polkadot, for example, it has been just incredible these last few months. It's a mega hot, mega trending coin. I don't expect institutions are going to just completely ignore it because they don't completely ignore altcoins. The Greyscale Ethereum Trust has nearly $4 billion in assets under management, so it definitively proves institutions are not afraid of altcoins. They just don't want to invest in garbage like Ethereum Classic. I also love the addition of Aave to the trust. DeFi, it's literally the hottest trend in crypto right now, so the addition of Aave really makes complete sense to me. It's very bullish to see them adding that on. Greyscale has not given a timeline on the launch of these trusts, but the paperwork has been filed, and the longer they wait to actually give their customers access to this, the more they're missing out. So obviously it's in their benefit to get this out sooner than later. And do remember that while we have these big green days for altcoins, you are allowed to book in some profits. You don't have to sell all your altcoins, but don't get married to your bags, right? Feel free to take a little bit off the table, take your capital back out, pay yourself a little bit, right? Don't be afraid to do that. Anyway, your question for today, what altcoin do you own that you think is going to be a millionaire maker?